Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Today I am going to show you how to prepare Paanagam, one of the best drink in summer. Ingredients for Paanagam: 200 grams of Jaggery and little pudina, 2 small pieces of ginger, around 7 to 8 number of elachi or cardamom, 2 number lemon. This lemon it's not required to add initially. When you are drinking, at the time only you have to add the lemon. This is the mint leaves which we kept. Take little mint leaves. Keep the pan. We're going to add the jaggery. This is sort of syrup which is very good for summer. Paanagam. So add approximately half a glass of water will do with this one. Let it get melted. Keep in approximate sim to medium flame. You have to crush the ginger. Use this one to crush. No need to make as a paste. You can crush the ginger. Have to crush the ginger like this. We're going to add the crushed ginger to this one. See, the syrup is ready. Going to add the cardamom powder. Going to add the mint leaves, pudina. Have to keep in flame, sim flame. So let the juice of mint leaves, cardamom and ginger should go in the syrup. So keep in sim flame for a while. It's a very good drink for summer. Instead of buying the drinks from canned drinks, which is and all not good. It's an artificial one. It's very natural one. It's very good in summer. Make this syrup, keep in the refrigerator. Then whenever you want, you put lemon, then add little water, then add this syrup, mix it well and have it. Who are staying in the hot country, for them it's a very good recipe. Like Middle East, India, it's too hot here and all. So it's a very good drink. The syrup is ready now. We're going to filter this one. Switch off the flame. Have to filter this one because jaggery have some dirt. Then you have to filter all these things to get the syrup. Keep refrigerated this syrup. Whenever you want, you can use this syrup. Paanagam. Cut the lemon. Going to squeeze the lemon. So we have to add the syrup which we made. So now you can add the required water. Paanagam is ready to drink. You can keep the syrup in refrigerator. Whenever you want, you can add the syrup like this, which I showed now. Then you can make the drink. It's very good. It's very cool to the body. It's very good in summer. Paanagam from Veggie Recipes Blogspot, just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.